Well, today's highlights are: first is mega test series, second is part A updated material after the first round of NATA entrance exam. Well, along with this, we have a strategy class for NATA entrance exam which is on 12th September so that you can get the maximum score, and you will have in this short time of period within 5 to 7 days part A prep also. So complete part A prep. Well, this is Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, coach, guide, and today's announcements are really very important. Watch till the end to participate in our online test. In fact, if you want to attend in free or you want to register us in paid course. Well, so I'm starting. Is that NATA exam is difficult or easy? So after the first exam, which was on 29th of September, my dear friend, many of you have commented and sent your messages that you found this exam was really difficult and it is hard to crack and hard to get a good score this year. Well, looking at my experiences, if I would go back to 2018-17, there are the students who get 0 marks in that drawing part. If you're any of the friend though they have attended you last, maybe their friend or somebody got 0 also, and though number was many. You know why? It was not that person don't know drawing. The reason was you are appearing for this exam, but how to appear you don't know. You don't have proper strategy and plan. So we Ignite India come up with the mega test series. You can write multiple tests with us till your exam. In fact, if you want to write 100 also, that also you can. So if you want a part of it, there are very simple way. Mega test series is free today, tomorrow, till day after tomorrow morning. So you need to go first. You need to go and like and press the bell icon button here on YouTube to get updated about it. Second, you have to go and subscribe and follow our Instagram page, which is ignite_India. Will be there in bio also. Third step, you keep watching the all notification on Ignite India, the all update till your admissions and counseling, it will be there, and later state in future for your internship and the work. Fourth step, for attending the mega test series, you need to download the Ignite India app, and the all free test which you going to write, those batch code will come in our Instagram story and the messages and notification in app too. So you will be updated about following this method. Student though they will not they are on Instagram and YouTube, this so backend team will not assign you batch on there. So if you want to attend the test, you need to complete these processes. Now the next part is strategy class. Strategy class, we'll see how we can score 120, 130, 150 plus. So we will get to know that every individual problem and the fact what you face in first round the exam. Basis on that, now it is not a time for prep. It is the time to plan to do better and write the multiple test paper. So you can write many test paper. After test paper, you will have class with us. Already there are many students have accesses these tests from 31st onwards. Yes, after 29th exam, 31st onward, we started the complete test paper and even the part A specific test paper for this exam, because we believe this crisis and this new pattern is the big opportunity, and the Ignite will ensure you to get the good score in this. So those strategy class is also important and magical. Third part is your part A prep. If anyone want to prep with us, you will have 2 sessions in a day, or maybe the 1 session in another 5 days or 4 days class plan, 6 days class plan. You can complete entire your part A syllabus, which is all 6 subtopic, and that 6 topic we divided into 11 different topics are. So those classes, study material updated one, everything will provide you. Now let's move to the apart from part A preparation and your strategy classes. I completed the how this exam is easy, that part also. In fact, we discuss about how this exam and entire pattern is. Now Or for this exam, what you need? You need, after looking at the current 29th exam, the new pattern mock paper. So that also will provide you the entire new pattern mock paper, which was ever 29th pattern. Already students are getting the benefit, and the best part, you can access is these test paper free and as a trial basis till 4th of September morning session. So if you want a part of this, what you are waiting for? Just registered Ignite India and get these tests and material and join us now only to get the better score your entrance exam. And we are not claiming, we are promising you are gonna get the best score in NATA entrance exam 2020 12 September, and you will go with the full of your belief and confidence. That is the insurity Ignite family is giving you. Wish you all the best, and I would like to thank and congratulate the entire Ignite India students and our team to working very hard to developing this material and content for the student. Thank you everyone for your so much love and support with Ignite India. Thank you.